In the name of Allah, the most merciful and the most beneficent. Hello everyone, welcome to Mathematics Basic to Advanced Level. In this lecture, I will solve Pakistan Public Service Commission 2015 MCQ, that is, if A is equal to minus 4x minus 3y plus az into I vector plus bx plus 3y plus 5z into j vector plus 4x plus cy plus 3z into k vector is irrotational when A, B, C are. For irrotational vector, we must have curl cross A is equal to 0. So curl represented by gradient. So gradient multiply A is equal to absolute of I vector, j vector, k vector. So gradient represent partial over partial x, partial over partial y, partial over partial z. So A vector, that is minus 4x minus 3y plus az, bx plus 3y plus 5z, 4x plus cy plus 3z. So I unit vector into partially differentiate partial over partial y into 4x plus cy plus 3z. So partially differentiate x with respect to y, that is constant derivative 0, plus partially differentiate cy with respect to y is equal to c plus 3z constant. Second, partially differentiate bx with respect to z, that is constant derivative 0, 3y constant derivative 0, partially derivative 5y with respect to z is equal to 5. So c minus 5 into I vector, similarly minus j vector into partial x into 4x derivative, that is 4 plus cy plus 3z constant minus partially differentiate with respect to partial z into minus 4x minus 3y, that is constant, plus az derivative, that is a 4 minus a into j. Similarly b plus 3 into k is equal to 0 vector plus 0 I vector plus 0 j vector plus 0 k vector. So c minus 5 is equal to 0. So c is equal to 5 minus 4 plus a is equal to 0. So a is equal to 4. B plus 3 is equal to 0. So b is equal to minus 3. So option A is correct, that is 4 minus 3 5. If you like my lecture, then please subscribe, share, like and press bell icon for latest update on my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching my YouTube lecture. Okay, Allah Hafiz.